alam nyo, yung dagdag ng maternity leave, number of days, as well as the benefits, that will only lessen the profits. Laki naman ang profit talaga ng mga employers eh. Kumbaga, social service nila yon. Ang nakikita kong ano doon, marami na siguro mag-aasawa. Kasi the reason why maraming ayaw mag-asawa kasi magbubuntis pagkatapos maglilib ka, mag-gastos and all. Ngayon, medyo 160 days.
105 extension ng 30.
Biro mo yun. Di ilang buwan yun.
3 months.
Wow, 3 months.
So sir, confident po kayo na hindi mangyayari sa Pilipinas yung nangyayari sa ibang bansa na pinipigilan yung pag-hire ng mga kababaihan dahil sa ganong benefits?
Bawal ang discrimination sa atin. They will be accountable to that. I don't think they will.
Okay po. Thank you, sir.
Okay, MPC, Tina?
Saka mga Filipino family-oriented eh. These industrialist businessmen will understand.
Sir, clarification lang, sir. Katulad tong bagong batas sa expanded maternity health. Ano ba dapat ang sinusunod ng mga kumpanya? Yung batas o kailangan i-incorporate ng private companies sa rules and regulations nila muna yung batas bago i-implement sa mga empleyado?
First, merong mga companies na magagandang benefits. Like when I was in Unilab, gaganda ng benefits, wala pa yung batas eh. So, regardless of the rules and regulations ng mga companies, they will have to follow the law now. Kung may law na, wala na silang choice. They will have to follow the law. So you don't even have to incorporate that kasi nasa batas na nga.
Thank you, sir.
Joseph, may follow-up ka ba? Joseph or Christine?
Clarification. Okay, when you said that pwede na lang i-incorporate yung act, they can also not incorporate it?
Of course.
The law?
Just follow the law. Why do you have to put in the rules?
Okay. So parang given na yun.
Given na eh.
No
wala
naman
siyang
amendments
choice.
to the labor code or whatever, mga ganun.
Hindi naman kailangan kasi batas na nga eh.
Okay,
Kasi
so-
the moment, automatic yun na in-amend mo yung previous provision pag mayroong special law.
Correct. So they have to follow. No? Sir,
Kaya si Maricel sa kasi nag-iisip na yata ng
So, sir,
dagdag lang.
sir, regardless, sir,
Kasi,
kung merong workers union or wala ang isang kampanya.
Ano?
Regardless, sir, kung merong workers union o mga CBA,
Wala
dapat
sila. Yeah.
prevailing ang law of the...
Wala na silang choice doon. Batas eh. It applies to all.